Hello again, my beautiful people, and welcome to the second video in the series of adding and subtracting two integers with merging signs. All right, so in the previous video, we looked at example 1, where we had positive 5 minus negative 3, and we concluded that when the signs are the same, we need to change it to a positive sign and then go ahead and solve for our answer. Now in example 2, we have two different signs here. We have positive 4 minus positive 7. Now if we draw back to the table, right at the top here, we remember that when the signs are different, what would our result be? Yep, that means we're going to change the sign to a negative. So since we have a negative and a positive here, which can also be written this way, then I'm going to change these two signs to create one sign, and that is going to give us, work with me, positive 4 minus 7. Excellent, guys. Good. So we can go ahead and represent that. So this is what we are going to be thinking of as we represent it using our counters. All right, so now we have positive 4 minus 7. So it's easier for us to represent using our counters. So that means we're going to need 4 green counters to represent positive 4. That's 1, 2, 3, and one more. Make it 4. Beautiful. All right, so now we're going to look at negative 7. So we're going to need 7 red counters to represent negative 7. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and one more to make it a total of 7 red counters. Excellent. So now that we have our 4 positive counters and our 7 negative counters, what does this look like, guys? Yep, you guessed it. This looks like we're going to be creating 0 pairs because we have 2 different counters here to work with. So let's go ahead and marry off Mr. Green to Miss Red. So this is one couple right here. Then we can create another 0 pair, that Mr. Green with this Miss Red. We can create another 0 pair, that Mr. Green with this Miss Red. All right, can we create another one? Yes, we can. This Mr. Green, I'm gonna put him down here with, let's use this Miss Red. Nice. So now that we have just created our 0 pairs, that means they cancel out to give us 0. Beautiful. So now we're going to be representing what is left. And from looking at this diagram here, we realize that, we have 3 red counters that remain. So now that we have 3 red counters that remain, that means my final answer is going to be equal to, that's my boy, that's my girl, good job, negative 3. Awesome. So therefore, 4 or positive 4 minus 7 is equal to negative 3. Excellent. Or if you want to look at it this way, positive 4 minus positive 7 is equal to negative 3. All right. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember to leave any question or comments within our Google Classroom platform. Thank you for joining me. See you in our next class.